What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy EB Cutting. We got a South of France haircut coming to you today. This haircut became popular probably about 10 years ago, man, with Usher. Usher started rocking this bad boy, and you know what? It's still a popular haircut, man. It still looks good, also, especially for some waver or somebody who has waves on top or in the back. You can pull it off and make it pop, or just a curly. If you just have curly hair, that'll make it look real good. But we starting this off with making a small balding line up right above the ear. We're not going too high. We ain't gonna go too high. We're just gonna make a little round motion, a round bald line with the wall balding clippers, using the corners so we don't go too wide and stretch it in the skin. And combing as we cut. As you can see, it's just the initial guideline. You don't want to go too high. You want to make sure it's very precise, man. Every guideline that you make with every cut, make sure it's precise so that the cut lands every time. All right, we're gonna open up the lever. We got the Whal Magic Clips, and we about to get started. Lever open, going up about an inch in a circular motion. We're going around the circle of the bald line. This is how you do the South of France, man. These first two guidelines are the most important guidelines of this haircut. Circular motion, stretching the skin, and we're going up an inch with the lever open right here. And you don't have to go on the back. You don't have to go back as far as you would on the side and then on the top, because you want to keep enough hair right there for the edge up to pop. So you don't have to go quite as far back on the back. And we stretching the skin still, trying to make sure everything is clean and precise. We just fading that first line. About to fade that first line on out. With the lever closed and open, we're just working the lever open and close right here. Using the corners of the blade, especially with a tight space like this. Use the corners of the blade, and it'll be a lot easier on you perfecting this fade and stretching the skin. I stretch the skin with every fade though, just to make sure everything is cutting to the best of my ability. Like, you're getting every part of the hair when you stretch the skin. That's a secret, man. That's just a better way to fade as a barber. Right here we got the 1.5 guard, and we have it open just to debulk, be safe. It's just taking off a little hair right here. But we're going to close it, and then we'll start taking off more hair when we close the lever. But you just want to feel the haircut out first. Using the corners of the blade also in certain spots, man. Just want to make sure that you never forget about those corners of the blade, man. That's how that fade starts to look good, when you use the corners of the blade. I'm gonna go with the grain right here to kind of lay the hair down. Help your fade come together just little by little. Every little step, man, is helping that fade come into play. All right, we got the number 1 guard lever open, and we're gonna start working on that first. Well, not the first, but the next guideline. Just going up slightly above that first or the second guideline, that where the lever was open, we're going slightly above that line right there. And continue to work out the dark spots that you see with the one guard. One guard is closed right here. And guys, we're at 81 subscribers. Maybe that'll change by the time this video is up, but we're getting closer and closer to 100 subscribers. So make sure, tell a friend, man, you subscribe to this channel, man. Don't just watch the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna keep this work coming to you, man. I'm gonna keep giving you guys this work, man. Just make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it, make sure you like the video, and we're gonna keep this work coming. Still working on getting that fade all the way blended in. Got that hard dark line right there that we about to get out with the half guard. And this is a big part of the fade, because fade can go wrong right here if you don't know what you're doing. So this hard dark line is a big part of the fade with the half guard. With every fade, you got to be careful with the half guard. You got to be careful how high you go up on your strokes. You want to be short and sweet right here. Short and sweet. As you can see, I'm barely going up, man. Using the corners, but it's a tight fading space right here when you using that half guard with the final guard of the fade. And you can see that the fade is pretty much blended in. We'll just keep playing with the guard and the lever, and knocking out dark spots or spots that need to be fixed. Got the lever open. We just gonna go with the grain to lay the hair down. And we're just gonna record this one side of the fade, man. Okay, I see a dark spot, so I got the one guard back on. Excuse me, I got the one guard back on. We're gonna knock that little dark spot out. But yeah, like I was saying, we're just gonna record this one side of the fade. I don't want these videos to be crazy long. But leave a comment if you want me to record the whole video next time of the haircut. If you want to see the whole video, man, leave a comment. Let me know. But if this one side of the fade is good, then let me know also, man. Just let me know what you guys think. And make sure you comb, every time you fade, man, make sure you comb that hair back down so you can see what you're dealing with. I use a comb because it lays the hair down a little bit better in the fade than a brush. Brush, a lot of time, may scatter the hair a little bit too much. I like to use the comb because the comb is going to lay those fine hairs down perfect for your fade. Look at that, that's a perfect fade, man. Just working out a few more dark spots and we're gonna be ready for this edge up, man. Getting right behind his ear, perfecting the fade. And now we're ready for the shape up. So we're using the Andes GTX skeletons for the shape up. I just modified these clippers, just got them in, and I love the way they cut, man. I really love these clippers, man. It's a breath of fresh air to buy a new set of trimmers as a barber. So you just feel it in your hand, man. How it's just the motor's running powerful. The clippers, you can hear the choppiness of the edge up. These are some great clippers that I definitely recommend buying these clippers and adding them to your arsenal. Check out my previous video showing you how to modify these clippers, how to make them sharp, how to adjust them. Like, these are some great clippers though. So check out my previous videos on this Andes GTX on how to modify them with the 1 minute blade modifier. Just trying to keep the edge up as natural as possible. Also, not using any hair fibers because you have to learn the art of barbering before you want to use any enhancements. So I try to never really use enhancements unless the client requests, but we're just trying to keep the edge up natural and, you know, stick to the basics of barbering. See right here, we just scratching the skin, getting that side edge up right. Trying to keep that edge up out as far as possible, man. No pushback right here, no pushback. Keeping it natural. As you can see, man, this is a young waver for real. He's got a little length on his hair, but if I was to cut his hair down, you would see those waves, man. He has a good set of hair on him, and he's definitely a waver. His mom takes good care of his hair, and he has a good grade of hair. So you got to stay dedicated, and you can tell he has some brushing sessions in his life. We just finishing up the haircut right here, man. We want to comb and make sure that we keeping it out as far as possible and make it while still making it sharp. So make sure you guys comment, subscribe, like the video. We're gonna keep these tutorials coming, man. We're gonna keep these videos coming. Share the video. I appreciate you guys for watching. It's EV Cutting, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Peace.